Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple and quick way to resize a photo using CapCut. If you are struggling to change the size of an image for your project, thumbnails, or social media posts, don't worry, CapCut will make it super easy. First, just open CapCut, and then next, on the home screen like this, just tap on the photo editor. Edit photo, this one, just tap on it, and then next just select the photo that you want to resize from your gallery like this, and after that just tap on this icon, edit icon, and then next just tap on crop, just tap on it, and then over here just choose size that you want. You can choose portrait, landscape, square, and many more. It has many sizes that you can choose. For example, like this, or you can also resize it by using AI expand like this, and then next just choose the size that you want. For example, I will just choose this one, and then next just tap on generate. Okay, like this. Just take your time and customize it until you're happy with the results. And once you're done resizing, just simply save your photo, and that's it. Your resized image is now ready to use. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.